Hello and welcome back. This is me Shajib here again to share with you two tips so that you can be grateful, you can be beneficial with that video. And also I am here to practice my English speaking part with you. Well, let's get into it. First of all, I will tell you the difference between the pronunciation of the word the and the. When we make a pronunciation of it like the, when we make a pronunciation of it like the. Well, then I will be talking about when should I use there is and when should I use there are. Actually, the difference between using there is and there are. Well, when you see you are talking about a noun and that begins with a vowel pronunciation, so you should make a pronunciation of the determiner or of the article the. Like I'm giving you example: the elephant, the umbrella. You see, both words begins with pronunciation of vowel sound. And then if we talk about pen, friends, something brush, cup, like the cup, the pen, the person I am talking about. Look, I am making a pronunciation of the when we use a noun after it and that begins with consonant sounds. Well, the another thing I said when we should use there is and there are. Listen, you might know that the noun forms here is two main noun forms are countable noun and uncountable noun. Well, the uncountable noun which you can't count, like sugar, water, all liquids, and there are some more. And countable nouns which are you can count them, like two pen, two cup, two brush, two books, like that. So when you are talking about a uncountable noun, you should use there is. It's the singular, like there is some water on the table, there is some sugar, like that. And when you are talking about a countable noun, like there are my two friends, there are two pens here, there are two books on the table. So, well, that's it. Actually, I am here to practice my English speaking part with you. And if you stay with us, and I will share with you when I was in the beginning level. Actually, I am here. I am in the beginning level yet. So I'm having a lot of difficulties, and I'm going to tell you, and I'm going to share with you my difficulties, and I will try to understand you everything that I was stuck in it. Well, goodbye for now.